If you want to change DPI settings on POCO M8 Pro, then we have two main ways to do so. The first method is to open settings, scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. And then we're gonna go to accessibility. Now we're gonna choose vision in here, and then we have display size, and we can move left and right over here on this slider to adjust the DPI just like that. Of course, if you made any changes, you can use this check in the upper right corner in order to save it. Now the second method is to use developer options. So we're gonna scroll up in settings and go to about phone. Now we're gonna keep tapping on the OS version until you need to enter the screen lock password and then go next. Once you see that you are now a developer, we need to go back to additional settings. This time scroll down and you can find developer options. Now here we need to keep scrolling until you find the smallest width option. There we go, this is this one. Now in this case you should be able, at least in theory, change this number in order to make something, well, everything actually bigger or smaller. And the lower the number is, then the bigger all elements will be on your screen. And there are some limits, of course. So for example, the lowest number that you can theoretically enter is 320, but it seems that it doesn't actually work in this case. So we can try to use a slightly bigger number, like 325 maybe something different. There we go, 327 actually works. So as you can see, this is one of these numbers that we can use. 326 also works, but that's like a small difference between these two numbers. And now, as you notice, everything is bigger. And if you want to make everything smaller, then you have to use a bigger number, like let's say 500. And in this case, unfortunately, it doesn't work. So there seems to be some issues with changing this number, this option on POCO. As you can see, the keyboard is indeed affected, but not the UI elements. So I'm not sure what is the reason why it doesn't always work, but there we go, 450 actually works just fine. So maybe POCO actually has different limits that you can use on this phone. Nevertheless, this is how we can also change the DPI. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.